How to promote Digistore24 products on TikTok. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can promote Digistore24 products on TikTok. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Digistore24, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Digistore24, it is a comprehensive online sales platform that specializes in affiliate marketing, offering a robust marketplace for vendors and affiliates alike. It features over 8,500 high-converting offers across for more than 44 niches, making it one of the largest affiliates marketplaces globally. And also, the platform provides industry-leading conversion tools and automation features, including a unique cart builder that allows vendors to customize order forms and utilize advanced upselling techniques. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Get Started button on the top right corner in here, in which upon doing so, you will be directed on this page where you can simply fill out the required information, including your public username, email, and also generate your own password in here. And after that, just click the Continue button, and you also need to verify your email address that has been sent to your email inboxes by this email, and click on it. And after that, you'll now be able to be directed to this dashboard of Digistore24, in which from here it will show you some other reportings, including the customer value number, gross revenue, while on the top panel it will show us some other option. But to proceed, kindly click this marketplace and click this all offers on the affiliate marketplace, in which upon clicking on it, you'll now be able to see your all other sort of products that you can promote from this Digistore24 to your TikTok. And on the left side panel, you could also choose some other category or filter it depending on the categories that you prefer. For example, I'm going to choose these digital products. And as you can see, we have your categories of animals and pets, petting system, education, email marketing, fashion, fiction, but I'm going to choose the health and fitness category in here. And upon clicking on it, it will show us the result on the right side panel, the result of the product that is offered or for health and fitness. And let's say I'm going to choose this one right here, in which upon clicking this Moringa Magic Supplements Health, we will now be able to be directed on the page in here, and it will show us the overview about this kind of product, including the corresponding prices. But before we click this Promote Now button and see the link, we could also save the images in here of this Moringa Magic Supplements, and that we're going to use it in creating our own video that will be posted on our TikTok account. So to start creating or generating a new video for TikTok, you could also use this canva.com and just go to the search bar in here and kindly search for a template of TikTok. And upon searching on it, it will show us the result of a template in here that we can choose from. Or alternatively, you could also click Create Blank to proceed, which I'm going to choose to create blank, and after that, from here it will show us that we can simply input the details about the video that we're going to create. On the left side panel, it will show us the editing tools. But at this point, I'm going to choose some other elements in here, including the video. For example, I'm going to search under these elements, the healthy lifestyle in here. However, upon searching on any of these videos, it will show us that some of it are offered on premium, or you need to have an upgrade account in order to use it. But since I'm just using a free account, I'm not be able to use any of this video. So at this point, I'm just going to search or look for a specific item template under the design section in here. So as you can see, it will show us a variety of TikTok videos or template to choose from. And I'm going to search on the search bar, for example, fitness. But some of it are not actually related to the product that we're going to promote. So I'm just going to search healthy. And from here, it will show us some of the video that we can choose from. And I'm going to choose this one. So I'm going to simply drag it in this Canva. So now as you can see, we have now here generated 5 seconds of videos. And we can simply upload the files of Moringa supplements by clicking this Uploads button and Upload Files button in here. So just simply upload here the files of Moringa and simply input it. But before that, we could also navigate to customize this video, such as this context, and I'm going to enter Healthy Budget Supplements and proceed by simply dragging the Moringa picture in here. So we can simply do the same process on the same slide of video and also start customizing it in order to make it more creative to look at. And also I'm going to add more elements to make it more creative in here. And after that, you could also do the same process on the next slide of this video right here by clicking on it and start customizing this one, including the context, and also add the Moringa supplements file in here. And now as you can see, it is now currently added. So all we need to do is simply save the changes or click the share button. If you're not done, just click the share on the top right corner. Then click this download button to proceed and choose the file type of MP4. And after downloading the video, you'll now be able to see here that it's now currently downloading. But aside from the video from Canva, you could also use some other platform to get a video such as this Pixelscom that offer a variety of videos that is offered for free. So kindly choose here the video since we're looking for a video and search, for example, the health and fitness, and it will show us a variety of video to choose from. So you can simply download it depending on your preferences. But now as you can see, we have now successfully here created a video. So just go to your TikTok account and on the top right corner, kindly proceed by clicking the upload button in here to start uploading a video. And you will be directed in here. So just click select a video button and just simply choose the video from your computer files. And after that, you'll now be able to see the result. And from here, all you need to do is to simply enter here the description about the video, in which you could also use the title or the name of this product, for example, by going to your Digistore24. And from here, we can simply copy this whole context in here. And after that, just simply paste it in our description or caption in here. And after doing that, you could also do the same process or add additional kind of hashtag and even mention the company of this kind of product. So you could also use hashtags such as, for example, I'm going to enter live healthy. And after that, I'm going to add additional kind of context that says get yours now. Or alternatively, you could also change this one. For example, I'm going to enter again or change this context into order now and add link in bio. So basically, we're going to input the link or promotional link of this product that we're going to promote in here into our bio in order to start promoting it. And if a customer or viewers try to click the link and start ordering the product, we'll be able to earn a commission from it. But before that, we're going to simply post this one and click this post button to proceed posting the video to start promoting in here. And if you are now done, we'll now be able to see the result. So if you go to our post section on the left side panel, we'll be able to see the list of our posts, and it will show us the product that we're going to promote in here, which is this one. And this is basically what it looks like. And now again, the next thing that we need to do is simply go or post the link in our bio. So just go to your profile. But before that, you also need to go to your Digistore24, and in this product, just click promote now button. And after that, it will show you that you have now successfully copied the promotional link, and to proceed, kindly paste it on your profile in here or in your bio. So kindly paste it, the link of the promotional link, and click the save button to proceed. So if a customer try to click the link, they will be directed on the Digistore24 where they can start ordering the product, and we will earn a commission from it. So it will show us that the commission rate is 65%. And so overall, that is just basically how you can promote Digistore24 products on TikTok. Thank you.